Hey Manychatters, this is Trilce Girongarro here on our CTX webinar with Manychat and Meta. CTX as in click to Instagram, click to Messenger, click to WhatsApp. So if you come from our past class, you know that we were talking all about how you can connect your Instagram advertisement to your Instagram DM automations on Manychat. So basically, whenever someone clicks that send message button on any of your Instagram ads, stories, posts, feed, everything, you can send a predetermined automated conversation from Manychat to any and all of your leads. So in case you missed it or skipped it, you can click back and go watch it. So you may find a hidden gem there that you didn't know about. In this class, we're going to be talking about WhatsApp automations for your Facebook and Instagram ads. So that means that you can redirect people to a specific WhatsApp conversation fully automated thanks to Manychat from any of your ads on Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to dive right in to this class. It's my favorite one because I use WhatsApp every single day, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Okay, so let's get to it.
What I find to be the coolest bit about Meta is that it has 3 completely different channels for completely different audiences. The people that you find on Facebook Messenger are not the same as the ones you see on Instagram DM, and those are completely different to the ones that you find using WhatsApp every single day. Me, for example, I use WhatsApp and Instagram daily. You will rarely ever find me on Facebook Messenger, but some of my friends only use Facebook Messenger and Instagram DM. When you power that with Manychat, the possibility of talking to different audiences, different cultures, different people through those 3 channels. Automate your FAQs, automate your keywords, provide immediate 24/7 customer support through Manychat to all of your audiences. Well, I can only imagine what your companies can achieve when using these 2 products for your marketing campaigns. Did you know that WhatsApp is used by 2 billion people worldwide? It is the most popular form of communication in the world, according to Statista.com. I myself use it every single day for every single bit of communication. And you can unlock the potential of your WhatsApp presence with ads that click to WhatsApp. So imagine you're running an ad on that nude stiletto and you want people to be able to message you directly via WhatsApp when they see it. So in this image, you see a WhatsApp message that says, "Hi, how can I get notified when these are back in stock?" You can automate a reply for that so you can add them to a waitlist. Of course, could you please give me your email so I can send you a notification when these are back? Boom, added to your database, and now you can do retargeting. This is basically my favorite number in the entire presentation. 75% of international adults surveyed said, "I want to be able to communicate with businesses in the same way that I communicate with friends and family through messaging." So this was done in a study of 8,000 adults ages 18 and older in US, Germany, UK, India, Mexico, Brazil, Indonesia. WhatsApp allows people to discover, communicate, and transact with any business, stay in touch with their friends, send images to their family members, have their group chats, and that's why we love it. And of course, the coolest bit about WhatsApp is that you get to re-engage with your customers thanks to WhatsApp templates. Imagine telling all of your subscribers, all of your clients, all of your leads, "Hey, would you like to be notified when these are back in stock? Hey, would you like to know when we're getting discounts? Would you like to know when we get more products?" If they say yes, you can send them messaging templates and re-engage outside of the 24-hour rule that we have on Instagram and Messenger. Little tip from your friendly Latina: if you're just going to start doing automations for WhatsApp, I highly recommend you watch all of our tutorials and read all the documentation so you are up to speed on this brand new channel. Awesome. So together, the cool thing is we can help you have conversations with your customers that deliver more for your business, be that restaurants, retail, coaching, gyms. Why did I say gyms? Gyms. You can create personalized funnels. You can create lead qualifications, anything you want for your business in a way that it reduces your workload, your team's workload, makes life simpler both for you and for your leads. And of course, it is going to increase your sales. But Trilce, where do I get people to my WhatsApp? Well, Instagram and Facebook. You can have your advertisement on Facebook, on Instagram, on your stories, on the marketplace, anywhere you want, and have people click a button that says send message to WhatsApp. This way, you're engaging your possible clients throughout the social media that they most use, their preferred channel of perceiving content, and you are sending them to their preferred channel for messaging. This is clearly the helper you have been waiting for if your business, your community, your clients, your culture uses WhatsApp a lot. You can assign sales agents, you can reply 24/7, you can broadcast to thousands with just one click, and you can pre-write their first message. I know what you're thinking. Wait, I can pre-write the message that they're going to send me. Yes, you can. Imagine someone clicking an ad that is to buy a computer. And when they click that send WhatsApp message button, it opens up with a pre-written message that says, "Hi, I'm really interested in a computer." It's that simple. I will teach you how to do that in just a bit. So how do we connect your Manychat automations to your Meta ads on both Instagram and Facebook? The first thing I'm going to teach you is my favorite trick. This is so you can convert any phone number into a WhatsApp link, and so you can create a pre-written message for any type of conversation. Before I teach you how to connect it to the ad itself, let's learn how to use this cool trick for your own number. Here, as you can see, it's a traffic link that says wa.me/country code without the plus sign number, and that would be your link to redirect to any and all phone numbers. Let's go to the next screen so you can see an example. Here you can see the wa.me/for our demo WhatsApp number. You can go right ahead and write that on your search bar. It is going to immediately open a WhatsApp conversation with our demo account. As you can see, it doesn't have the plus sign. There are no spaces between the numbers, no dashes, nothing. It's just wa.me/country code phone number, all in one line. So how do we pre-write a conversation or a message? Well, we're going to follow this formula. Question mark, text, equal sign. Just like that. Question mark, text, equal sign. So here I can say, question mark, text, equal sign. Hi, I wanted more info on a tent. How does that actually look like put together? Well, just like this. Here you can see that I have written into my search bar wa.me with double was /country code phone number question mark text equal hi, I wanted more info on a tent. And you can change this to be anything you want. We're going to hit enter. And here you can see it immediately opens up a prompt that says open WhatsApp. API WhatsApp wants to open this application. We can click open WhatsApp if we wanted to go to that conversation. Let's do that right now. And here you can see that it opened up a conversation on WhatsApp with the pre-written message. Hi, I wanted more info on a tent. The thing is, we want this to be a URL. So if you just copy pasted that line, we pasted on our search bar, it's not going to be a link. Because of the spaces, because of the commas, it's just not a proper link. So what you want to do is exit if in case you opened it, and you want to click that link that was generated on your search bar. As you can see, this one no longer has any spaces and has been turned into an actual link. I always like to take that into my Manychat account where my automation is going to be, and I like to create a comment here. Add a comment, and I like to copy paste that link that was generated. So I know that this is going to open up this right here. So now that we know how to create a link that opens up a pre-written conversation on WhatsApp, let's continue with the class. So in this area right here, you can see that Endomoto was running an advertisement for WhatsApp. This company was running 2 simultaneous campaigns. So on the first image, you can see an abandoned cart reminder for people that did not actually take their cart trials. So it says, hi there, checking in to see if we can get an appointment set up for you. When are you available? And then the second image is a re-engagement, retargeting, re-everything campaign on Facebook that clicks to open WhatsApp. It can be done on Facebook or Instagram ads. When they click it, it goes to the very basic questions that we need to know. So, hey, can you please confirm your zip code? Could you please give me your name? Awesome, one moment, please. After those questions have been answered, we redirect the customer to Eric, who is our customer support agent right now, or sales agent, depending on your case. And Eric is asking, is there a particular size vehicle you're looking for today? Hi, I'd like to look for a sedan. No problem, we have a couple for you to test drive. What time works best for you? Friday at noon would be amazing. Awesome, see you then. So see how we are re-engaging, retargeting, automating in order to recapture those people who did not book a trial. And I know what you're thinking, Trilce, you already taught us how to connect with Facebook, how to connect with Instagram. Well, it can't be that different if you want to connect it to WhatsApp. You would think so, but it is. It is super different, so I need you to bear with me and stay with me every step of the way while we build an ad that clicks to WhatsApp together. But how different can it be? Very much so. The first thing that's going to change is you're not going to create an engagement campaign like we did with ads that click to Messenger or ads that click to Instagram. You're going to click traffic. Trilce, but I saw that WhatsApp was an option in messaging with engagement. Yep, and you would be right. Here you can see Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct. The difference is that this WhatsApp and our WhatsApp is not the same WhatsApp. Sounds like a tongue twister, I know. The WhatsApp that you can connect via engagement is WhatsApp for Business, which would be the app that you can download on your phone. What we call either WhatsApp Enterprise, WhatsApp API, is a completely different species of WhatsApp that you can find on Manychat. So if you have, at least for now, your WhatsApp API connected to Manychat, it cannot be used for an engagement campaign that moves to WhatsApp Business. And the point here is that we want to connect our super cool, mega advanced, improved, evolved, DG evolved WhatsApp automations to our ad. So we're going to use traffic. And here, see where it says Messenger and WhatsApp. So that way, we can connect all of our WhatsApp API or enterprise automations, meaning every cool flow that you have created on your Manychat account, to your advertisement. We're going to click here on continue. Perfect. So if you can remember from our second video after the intro, it's how to use the business manager and how to create an ad. We talked about the marketing traffic campaign, what is going to be your ad set, what are going to be your ads, multiple, plural. You are not allowed to just have one ad or you will have trouble with me. So now that we know about that, we're going to see what is different when building out the WhatsApp automation campaign. You're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to find that this area is no different. There are no changes that you need to do from what we learned on previous videos. And here in the ad set is where it starts to get different. So you would think, oh, I'm going to click WhatsApp. Nah, you're going to click website. Because remember, we learned how to create a what.me link. So that counts as a website. That is literally all you need to change in this area. We have talked about your delivery. We have talked about the ending date. You can select to have an ending date or not. Remember that this option is only available when on your campaign, you have only set up a daily limit. If you set up instead of a daily budget limit, it's going to be a lifetime budget, then it is going to prompt you to provide an end date. As you can see right here, that we no longer have the option to leave it open. In the audience area, you're going to create your audiences as you always would. You want to create either a lookalike audience, you want to create a detailed targeting audience. You can use segments based on interests. Anything that you usually would do for any other campaign, you can do here as well. When you scroll all the way down, remember the tips that I gave you in previous videos. You don't want to leave it open to any and all placements. My tip that I have used for years and I highly recommend is that you do not mix and match channels. So what that means is that this campaign is going to be exclusively for Facebook. And when I duplicate this campaign right here, I am going to target everyone on Instagram. This way you can effectively test both channels and see which one converts the most. So in this case, we're just going to be testing this out with an Instagram campaign, and we're going to be saying, oh, it's for my Instagram. I really want to promote myself. This works fantastically well for coaches. You can say, oh, I want to use my personal Instagram page that I have connected to my Meta Business Suite so I can get more messages on people interested in receiving my coaching. It's really cool for you to see that this is not just what you would consider normal businesses, normal conversations between, oh, me wanting to purchase a football, me wanting to purchase a car. It can be for coaches, it can be for trainers, it can be for editors. If you are your own personal brand, if you are your own service, you can use direct to WhatsApp advertisement in order to get a more in-depth, personalized conversation with all of your leads. Here in your ads, you can either create one or use an existing post. Just to make things different from the other ones that we have done, I'm going to use an existing post to show you what you can do with all of your existing images on your feed if you are a gym, a coach, a trainer, if you're retail, anything that you have already posted that has done really well on your Instagram, you can convert it into a click to WhatsApp advertisement. Something to keep in mind is if you're using your own Instagram account or your company's business account, you will not be able to select reels that use copyrighted music. So if you want to create a reel that can be boosted and have your click to WhatsApp automations, make sure that the music within that reel is not copyrighted. Okay, awesome. So in this case, I chose a post about Instagram Summit, which I was a speaker at, and this is a Manychat branded post. So I want to promote, maybe people want to buy tickets to this event. Maybe I want people to book a call with me. Maybe I want people to watch this recording. And I want to be able to have a full-on conversation with them. So I'm going to make sure that the story version doesn't look like just any post. And let me show you what I mean by any random post. If I pick this one in my Manychat hoodie, you can see that the story version looks cropped. So it's really not that aesthetically pleasing because I have this crop right here that doesn't really look like this was thought through. And when you are using a post that you have already posted, you can't really edit the story version. So you either select a reel that does not have copyrighted music, or you select a post that does not look cropped, such as this one. Due to the very solid color in the background, it does not seem like it was cropped. It actually does seem like a story version of the post. And it is going to look reasonably well in both Explore, Feed, Reels, and Instagram Shop. So this is where we get to the website URL bit that we were talking about. If you remember, a bit ago, I opened up a WhatsApp flow that I had created on Manychat. Look at how this is just one text box in this example. Hi there, of course. Could you please tell us if where you're camping is rainy, sunny, snowy, and how many people would you like it to fit? So in this particular case, what I did was create my link that opened up saying, hi, I wanted more info on a tent. So all I have to do is, copy paste this, and you're going to see what happens. If I just pasted this here and selected where it says learn more, you're going to see a warning. This is because it is reading the word WhatsApp. It doesn't mean that you can't have the link. It just means that we need to use a shortener. Personally, I use the free version of Rebrandly. Some people like to use Bitly. You can use any shortener that you like. So here I have my shortened link, copy, paste, and now you see there's no warning. This is because Meta really wants you to know that if you have a WhatsApp business account, which is what the majority of the people have, you can create direct to WhatsApp business automations within the Ads Manager. But when you have WhatsApp API or WhatsApp Enterprise, you're part of the cool kids, you're part of an amazing club of super secret WhatsApp agents that have the power of Manychat WhatsApp automations, so you don't really need the WhatsApp business bit. And just like that, you have created a link that is going to open up specifically this message or open up a conversation directly on WhatsApp with this message if you are on your phone. But how do I connect it to the flow? Well, glad you asked. Whatever message you have on your pre-written text, you want to copy that and turn it into a keyword. So you can say, if my WhatsApp keyword contains, "Hi, I wanted more info on a tent," create and publish. Every single time someone hits enter on this message, whenever they click that send WhatsApp message, click enter on this pre-written message, even if they write something else after this, it is going to read that first bit and it is going to trigger this automation. So it will say, "Hi there, of course, could you please tell us if your camping place is rainy, sunny, snowy, and how many people would you like it to fit?" So me, as a customer, I can say, "Oh, I'm going somewhere really rainy. I'm going to the rainforest. And it's only 2 people, so something not too big, but maybe really, really good for the weather." That is going to collect that information, so when the customer support agent or the sales agent comes in, they can actually talk to this person about their needs. And I know I promised that with Manychat, you can assign a sales agent. And I know that triggered a little something in you, so I wanted to show you how that's done. You want to double click and select Actions. Within the Actions mode, you're going to click here and scroll all the way down to Assign Conversation. So let's say that I'm going to assign this conversation to Artur. But I have 3 sales agents and I want them to be able to take care of these people in equal amounts. Great. Double click for the randomizer. You're going to add a new variation, and this is going to be 33, 33, and 34%. So when this is triggered, I am going to move people to one of these groups. Person number 1 is going to go to group A, which will be assigned to Artur. Duplicate. Let's change our agent. And here we have Inessa. So right now, we're going to have that group V, or the second person, is going to go to her and send this message. And then the third person is going to go to Joyce and send the message. This way, when we go into our actual live chat section, they can search for only the leads that were assigned to them and be able to take care of them without asking each other, "Hey, did you talk to this person already? Oh no, that one was mine." So just like that, you can avoid those situations with Manychat automations. With this, you can achieve incredible results, like 6 cents cost per lead campaigns. And of course, you have your data at a glance. In this case, I'm showing you an example of a WhatsApp default reply that answers depending on the day and the time. This first condition is current time is between 5 a.m. and 5:50 p.m. on working days or working hours on a Saturday. And the message is, "We're calling your sleep engineer to come help you out." If the person is talking during work nights, it will say, "Our sleep engineers already left to rest for the night. We will gladly take care of you tomorrow as soon as we come back to the office." If they write to us over the non-working hours of the weekend, it says, "Oof, they're resting with their families. We'll take care of you on Monday." And the last option is for those early risers that are texting at 3 a.m. on a Monday, and it says, "Our sleep engineers will come back to the office after a nice weekend in just a few hours. See you at 9 a.m. So just imagine everything that you can accomplish when you add those WhatsApp Manychat automations to your advertisement on the Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager.
See how simple that was? In case you didn't know that Manychat can now create WhatsApp automations, I highly recommend you go and try it out in settings. Please read all of the documentation. There's going to be a big yellow box when you try to connect your WhatsApp account into Manychat. You need to go read that. Guys, it's not the same as the WhatsApp you have on your phone. It's not the same as WhatsApp Business. So here I am telling you, please don't connect anything until you have read all of the documentation and you know about all the amazing possibilities that you have on WhatsApp and a couple of those restrictions, okay? So now that we have covered all of our CTX, click to Instagram, click to Facebook Messenger, click to WhatsApp, in our next class, we're going to be talking about how to optimize your ads. So they're not supposed to stay static. They're not supposed to just be there and exist. You can actually make them better over time. They can evolve. So let's go over to the next session and learn about that.